In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds. Begin by launching Voice Recorder app and tapping on the red button at the bottom in the middle to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and use play button on the left. If you want to add a bookmark, click on this icon at the top right corner of this section. And to end it and save it, on the square one on the right at the bottom. Then name your recording however you want to. And hit save. In order to play it, click on it. In order to manage some of its options, use all of those at the bottom. And to get rid of it, go back to the list, hold it, and tap on bin icon at the bottom. Then select Move to Recycle bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!